Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to walk you through one of Google Sheets' most useful text tools, the substitute function. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly swap out words or pieces of text in your spreadsheet, saving tons of time and making your data much easier to manage. If you've ever needed to clean up a list of entries or update repeated wordings in your sheet, this function is about to become your new best friend. So let's jump right in. First up, let's take a look at our Google Sheet. In column A, I've got a handful of sample sentences, things like I like banana ice cream and hello world, world is big. Our goal here is to modify specific words in each of these, and have those changes show up neatly in column B. The magic tool we're using here is the substitute function. So let's start with our first example. Click into cell B2 and type in equals substitute, then open parenthesis. What we're telling Sheets here is I want to replace something inside this cell, so our formula looks like this, equals substitute to banana mango. This tells Google Sheets, hey, inside cell A2 find the word banana and swap it out for mango. Hit enter and you'll see the cell update to I like mango ice cream. Easy, right? Think about how handy this would be if, say, your company decided to rebrand a product name. No need to edit every cell by hand. You just put substitute to work. On to our next sentence. In B3, type in equals substitute through a C shell. This time we're asking Sheets to change every instance of the word C in that sentence to shell. So she sells seashells by the seashore switches to something kind of funny. She sells shellshells by the shellsha. This is a great example of how substitute grabs every occurrence. So if you want to be more selective, don't worry, we'll cover that in a bit. Next in B4, type equals substitute of world, earth. Now in hello world, world is big. Both times world appears are replaced and you'll get hello earth, earth is big. If you only wanted to replace the first world and leave the second, this is where substitute's optional argument comes in handy. You can add a fourth bit to your formula like equals substitute of world, earth 1 to only change the first occurrence. Super useful when you don't want to accidentally overwrite more text than you meant to. For cell B5, the formula is equals substitute of apples, oranges. Small tip here, substitute is case sensitive, so if your cell has apples with a capital A and you try to replace lowercase apples, it won't match. Always check how your data is capitalized if you're not seeing the result you expect. This formula takes apples are sweet and apples are red and switches any apples to oranges, making it oranges are sweet and oranges are red. Finally, for B6, type equals substitute a sucks, cold, warm. Instantly, the weather is very cold becomes the weather is very warm. Think about using this in reports where terminology changes, maybe pending becomes approved, or incomplete turns into complete. It's such a saver for consistency. So just to recap the basics, the substitute function works by taking your original text, picking out the word or chunk you want to replace, and dropping in your new version. If you ever need to be precise and only target, say, the second time a word appears, just add that extra argument at the end. And that's all there is to it. The substitute function is a powerhouse for quick text cleanup, especially in big sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to see more examples, drop a comment below. I love helping out. For more tech tips and Google Sheets tricks, make sure to subscribe and join us for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.